Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of AI-generated images? Whether you're a complete beginner or just starting to explore AI art, choosing the right tool is key to unleashing your creative potential. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 AI image generators for beginners. These tools offer user-friendly interfaces, amazing results, and most importantly, are easy to use for anyone starting their AI art journey. From basic designs to professional-looking visuals, these generators have something for everyone. Let's get started with number 5. Number 5, Night Cafe. Night Cafe is a highly versatile AI art generator that's perfect for beginners looking to create stunning visuals with minimal effort. Let's break down the 5 reasons why Night Cafe made the list. User-friendly interface. Night Cafe's clean, easy-to-navigate interface makes it ideal for those new to AI art generation. You don't need to be tech-savvy to start creating. Simply enter a prompt and the AI does the rest. Multiple algorithms to choose from. With several algorithms such as style transfer and text-to-image, you can experiment with different art styles and techniques. This gives you creative flexibility while staying beginner-friendly. Night Cafe offers a wide range of artistic styles. Whether you want to create abstract art or photorealistic images, Night Cafe has various styles to choose from. You can turn your simple text prompts into anything from digital painting to oil painting styles. The platform also has an active community where you can share your creations, get feedback, and even participate in monthly challenges. This interaction can help you learn and improve quickly as a beginner. Night Cafe offers a credit-based system, allowing users to earn credits by engaging with the community. These credits can be used to generate more art without spending money, making it a great option for beginners on a budget. Number 4, Artreeder. If you're looking for an AI generator that lets you play around with blending and evolving images, Artreeder is a fantastic choice. Here are 5 reasons why Artreeder is a top pick for beginners. Artreeder allows you to mix and modify existing images to create new ones. You can blend features like facial expressions, backgrounds, and landscapes, giving you full creative control. Unlike some AI generators that require detailed text prompts, Artreeder allows you to make changes visually. You simply slide the control bars to adjust attributes like color, style, or shape. One of the best features of Artreeder is its collaborative nature. You can remix images created by other users, allowing you to build upon their ideas and create something completely new. This feature is great for learning and gaining inspiration. Artreeder isn't just limited to portraits. You can create landscapes, animals, and abstract art as well, making it a versatile tool for exploring different types of art creation. Artreeder offers free access to basic features, allowing beginners to get started without any cost. If you want more features or higher resolution images, you can upgrade to a premium account. Number 3, Deep AI. Deep AI is known for its simplicity and power, making it a perfect tool for beginners who want to create high-quality images quickly. Let's explore why it deserves a spot on the list. Clean and simple interface. Deep AI's interface is incredibly straightforward. All you have to do is type in a text prompt, and the AI generates an image based on your description, making it easy for beginners to dive in without any complexity. High-quality image generation. The images generated by Deep AI are clear, detailed, and photorealistic. This is a great tool for beginners looking to create professional-looking artwork without the need for expensive software or technical know-how. Customization options. Deep AI offers users a bit more control over the final output. You can tweak the results by providing additional instructions or adjusting the settings, which is great for beginners who want to experiment with their creations. Fast results. Deep AI generates images quickly, meaning you won't have to wait long to see your ideas come to life. This fast turnaround allows beginners to experiment more and refine their work. API for developers. Although this is more for advanced users, Deep AI offers an API that developers can integrate into their own projects. This could be useful if you want to expand your AI art skills and create something more customized in the future. Number 2, Midjourney. Midjourney is one of the hottest AI generators for creating stunning artistic images. Here's why it's a favorite among beginners and experienced creators alike. Artistic flair. Midjourney specializes in producing unique, surreal, and artistic imagery. Unlike more realistic AI tools, Midjourney's focus is on producing highly creative, visually compelling artwork that pushes the boundaries of digital art. Discord integration. Midjourney works through Discord, which is a unique feature. You simply join their Discord server, type in a prompt, and get back a variety of image results. This interactive aspect makes the process fun and collaborative. The AI generates highly detailed, beautiful artwork that stands out for its originality. Whether you want dreamlike landscapes or abstract concepts, Midjourney's quality is unmatched for artistic outputs. If you're an aspiring artist or designer, Midjourney is excellent for creating concept art, visual storytelling, or mood boards. It's a great tool for visualizing your creative ideas quickly. Although the interface is slightly different due to its integration with Discord, Midjourney is easy to use for beginners. You don't need any prior experience with digital art or AI. Just type in a prompt and watch the magic happen. And number 1. DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2 is perhaps the most powerful and widely known AI image generator available today. Here are 5 reasons it's the top choice for beginners. DALL-E 2 generates highly detailed, high-resolution images that are both realistic and imaginative. Whether you're creating a simple portrait or a fantastical landscape, DALL-E 2 produces incredible quality artwork. It's incredibly intuitive because it understands natural language. You can simply describe what you want, and the AI will generate images based on your instructions. Whether you want photorealistic images, cartoons, or digital art, DALL-E 2 can create them all. This flexibility makes it perfect for beginners who want to experiment with different art styles and techniques. One standout feature is the ability to edit existing images. If you like a particular creation but want to make some changes, DALL-E 2 allows you to modify specific parts of the image, which is ideal for perfecting your artwork. DALL-E 2 offers free access to generate a limited number of images, which is perfect for beginners looking to try out AI art without committing financially. If you need more features, you can easily upgrade to access more generation credits. So there you have it, the top 5 AI image generators for beginners. From the versatile Night Cafe to the advanced power of DALL-E 2, each of these tools offers unique features that can help you create beautiful AI art. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand your creative toolkit, these generators provide endless opportunities to explore the world of AI art. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI art tips and tutorials.